technique. Okay.
Pugamoto, shout out. Marv, shout out.
Visualization lang muna natin.
Kahit na looper tayo.
Take off when you're ready. Slow speed maneuvering on.
So ito yung mga Team Geely guys, ang mga vloggers. Andyan si Pugamoto, si Marv, si Motodogo, G3, guwapa sa taga Cebu eh. G3 na, G3 na yeah, Marv, you know.
Stand by. When you stop, have seat, Marks. Marks, have seat.
A few moments later.
Even on high speed, straight line, a little bit of front brake. Alalay palagi. Very able to safely stop the bike nang hindi abrupt and on a very smooth manner.
You know, yung training nila para paano mag-execute.
So lahat po ito ay applicable across different kinds of bike. Hindi lang po ito bike.
Ito yung ano ngayon na riding
Alright, thank you
skills.
so much. Remember,
You know,
your arm position has to be on a next drill. Ipapakita ako ng mga coaches natin yung counterweight technique. Okay.
Pugamoto, shout out. Marv, shout out.
Visualization lang muna natin dito is the
Nood tayo ng skills nila.
lean angle ng motor is always
Oo, kailangan talaga yan kaysa
Okay, Coach Danny, will show
importante
you
naman na oh.
how to execute.
Kahit
Coach
na
Danny,
looper tayo.
take off when you're ready. Slow speed maneuvering ko ang papakita niya ngayon.
You know, team.
So notice how the hip and upper body movement. So lahat po yan ginagawa na ho ng mga loopers natin, but this time it's a validation of what you already know. The more kailangan mong lagyan ng gas. Okay? Always look ahead even on one hand. Papakita ni Coach. Clutch control even without gas. You just have to sway your hips. Alright, thank you, coaches. Coach Danny will sway his hips, put his upper body on the opposite side, no gas. So hindi kailangan rev ng rev. Papakita ho natin dito. Kahit sa ganitong classic bike, kaya mong i-maneuver. Counterweight, sway your hips, opposite side, even without gas. Just sway together with the bike. Use your hips and always look in advance. So sa mga medyo matigas mo,
Skills guys kung paano ano sila sa pagdala ng motor. May kanya-kanya silang.
Okay, Sir David,
requesting for Team Geely. If we can have Angel Salupa, Agamoto, of course Yana, to join us up here. Boss Rain siguro, kanya ba si Boss Rain?
So ito yung mga Team Geely guys, ang mga vloggers. Andyan si Pugamoto, si Marv, si Motodogo. Ayan sila, may training skills yung ano nila ngayon, you know. Shout out na Yamoto.
Shout out, Click Moto Billy.
You know. Team Geely. Ayan guys, oh.
Alright. So, what we're going to do is the proper stop kanina.
So may ano sila guys, skills sila.
guys, clear left, clear right, clear left, clear right.
You know.
Alright, make sure
G3, oh.
sa area mo.
Guwapa sa taga Cebu eh.
So, ang muna gagawin,
G3 na, G3 na.
stop using front and rear manual. Alright.
Apil si G3 na mga apil.
Marks. Tama. Mark.
Apil si G3 training. Skills na skills. Driving skills. Driving skills sila.
Yung gas, alam kung powerful ang motor nyo. So we have to make
Iba yung mga motor assist yun.
and rear. Alright? Ready?
Driving skills.
Right leg on the brake. Right leg on the brake. Yeah. Take off. Gently.
Yun.
Gently. And don't hanggang may coach rod. Up. Yan. Baba ang right. And right leg. Baba. Keep on the rear brake.
Yun. Yun si Motodogo ay may aso guys. Si Motodogo.
The rear brake all the time. And front brake on. Ready?
Sa
Take off
may
gently.
aso.
Go ahead. Not too much round. You know, one hand ko yun.
Yun.
Motodogo lang sa kalam. Then stop gently. Brake mo lagi. Yan. Use your
Yan
feet.
si Marbs.
Use your feet.
Laki ng motor dala ni Marbs, no? Yun.
Okay, wala masyado gas. Keep on the center lang. Okay, take off.
Sa mga vlogger to guys, yung sa Team Geely.
Dahan-dahan lang. Okay, ready? Go. Sige. Control, stop dyan. Marks, go ahead, ma'am. Keep on.
Yeah, Marbs. You know?
Stand by. When you stop, have seat. Marks. Marks, have seat. Yan. Konti lang. Good. Just to make sure. Relax ang
Kargado
arm.
guys yung motor na yan guys.
Relax ang arm. Okay. Ready? With one side lang. One side. One side. One side. Okay. Go ahead. Most rounds. Go ahead, King. Go. Slowly but surely.
Ilang ano na to, sinalihan no? Mga iron ba na to?
Friction zone lang. Hold ko lang. Go ahead, Mark.
Yoko.
Mas line. Langit.
Si Marbs yan. Yung content yan dati pangkas. Iya. Yan guys, riding skills.
Suzuki Beast
Yung mga vlogger.
Thank you so much for
Kasama dyan si Marbs TV, si Motodogo, Yana Jitli.
Okay, sa mga mahilig tumayo sa motorcycle, please have a look.
Bistro mo.
It's going to be a different principle. So if you know this is all about your
Bibigat nito, guys.
house.
Kailangan yan may riding
Iba ang
skills.
katawan na gumagalaw.
Marbs in the house.